Hey guys, you already know I got my hands on the Fenty products. Rihanna has expanded her Fenty brand. In addition to her cosmetics and her fashions, she now has Fenty Hair. I had the opportunity to find out about this. Shout out to my girl, Sheree Del Sol, and her insider tea. I found out that Rihanna was going to be dropping these products, and I was so excited. You guys know I'm a product junkie and I love to try new products. So I was super excited, to order these products and review these products for you. So I ordered the products. This is the box that it came in. Okay. So what we're going to do is an unboxing and see what all I got. Okay. Let me open it. Okay, I don't have a lot of space here. Okay, so you can see on the inside, let me move it over. It says Fenty. Cute, that's cute. Okay, I'm gonna turn it this way so you guys can see me and the products and see what all I got. Okay, has my little receipt sheet in here for what I got. This protective paper. Okay, hope I ain't dropping. Okay, now let's get into it. What all did I get? Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, they got, this is the bundle. This is the bundle. I got the Deep Moisture Bundle, and these are all the products that came in that. Okay. In this plastic bag. Let's open it. Get everything out. I'm going to show you guys everything. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's see what we got here. Got this wrapped up in here. And it looks like they really took their time to package these items nicely so there won't be any spillage. One, by putting it in that plastic bag, and then in addition to that, it's in this particular product is in the cardboard as well. Okay, and this is one of the first products in the bundle, and it is the Fenty Hair Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo. So, oh, this is nice. This is nice. Isn't it cute? Now, once I do the actual review, guys, I'll tell you more about the scent, the feel, and all that. But right now, this is just the unboxing. I just want to show you guys what I got. So, this is the shampoo. Okay. Let's see what we got next. Okay, now the reason why I wanted the Deep Moisture Bundle is because I'm a deep conditioner girl. You guys know that. And I want to get the deep conditioner. And it came with the Deep Moisture Bundle. So this is the Fenty Hair, the Richer One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. Isn't that cute? Nice, real nice packaging. Well, you know Rihanna, huh? You know how she was gonna do it. Okay, see what else we got here. Okay, I think this would be next. Okay, so this is the Comeback Kid Instant Damage Repair Treatment. Okay, and we can all use that. We want to keep our hair healthy. And this is what this looks like. So it has this snap up, so I like that. And then with this deep conditioner, and I had saw this in some of the promos. I love that. I love that. And then the pump for the shampoo. Okay. All right. And then this is the final item of the bundle, and it is the Fenty Hair, the protective type 5-in-1 heat protecting styler. Yes, this It too has a snap top. Isn't it cute? I like the different colors. Okay, all right, Rihanna. Okay, so that's what I got, and this would be a part of the shampooing and conditioning process, and I guess moisturizing too, prepping for styling. So in addition to these products, I also got the Fenty Hair, the Home Girl. No, I'm sorry, the Home Curl Defining Cream. So this is something, and I still gotta read all the directions. This is my first time opening the box, guys. I want to open it with you guys, but I'll read the directions. But I'm assuming I can use this for like twist outs, probably flat twists, braid outs, and things of that nature. So I definitely wanted this because you guys know my go-to is twist outs. So I definitely want to get a styler cream. So I got this, and again, it also has this snap top. I'm not gonna talk about the scent yet. So real nice. I love these snap tops. Whoever thought of that was a great idea. Okay, and the last product I got is the Fenty Hair, the Jelly Type Stronghold Gel. And that's what this looks like. Again, another snap top. I'm excited about this to find out what I can do with this. I don't know if I could do a wash and go with it. If I can, that would be great. You guys know I'm heavy handed. So I don't know. We'll have to see. But I'm definitely planning to use all the products. And immediately following this, I am planning to do the review. And with the review, I've already made my mind up. I'm probably going to do a twist out for the, initial review and use the Home Curl Defining Cream for that. So that's going to be probably the style that I do, for the actual review of all these products. And the review is coming right up because I have my hair wrapped up here because I did a pre-poo. So it's pre-pooing. So I'm going to rinse the pre-poo out and commence the shampooing process. So you guys are not going to have to wait a long time for that. But I did want to come on and do my unboxing and show you guys what I got. I am so excited to try these products. I am so impressed with Rihanna, not only as a musical artist, but as a young businesswoman. I think she's done great. So I'm just excited all the way around, and I am so happy that I'm going to be able to show you guys, what these products can do. So with that, I am going to end this video and be looking out because it's going to be coming out real soon. As you see, my hair is pre-pooing. Be looking out for the actual review of these products, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.